afternoon, students. In previous class, we have started with example, that is hydrogen molecule, molecular orbital, diagrammatic representation and electronic configuration in H2 molecule we have seen clearly. Just I will recall this one and after that we will go to next example. Okay, before that, see here, H2 molecule contains two hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen has one electron. So totally H2 molecule has 2 electrons. That's why this is called 2 electron molecule. Okay, coming to this bond order, yesterday we have seen that diagrammatic representation also. 1s and 1s, they will undergo constructive interference as well as destructive interference. If they undergo constructive interference, we will get bonding molecular orbital sigma 1s. Okay, and if they undergo destructive interference, we will get anti-bonding molecular orbital sigma star 1s. But totally hydrogen has 2 electrons. Those 2 electrons will be filled into sigma 1s only. That's why, what is the electronic configuration of molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2 molecule? That is sigma 1s2. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s 0. In anti-bonding molecular orbital, 0 electron will be there, because order of electrons to be filled into molecular orbitals will also follow Oppo's rule and Hund's rule. Is it okay, ma? Now, after seeing all these things, bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. What is meant by Nb? Number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals. Na, number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbital contains 2 electrons. 2. Anti-bonding molecular orbitals contain 0. 2 minus 0 divided by 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Bond order is equal to 1. Molecule is existed. Bond order is equal to 1. Molecule is existed. Why? We told already, bond order if it is greater than 0, then the molecule is existed. The molecule is stable or existed. Okay. After writing the diagrammatic representation, did we see any unpaired electron present in H2 molecule? No chance. Then, if we have no unpaired electron present in the molecule, then that molecule is called diamagnetic in nature. Magnetic property, diamagnetic in nature. If a molecule has 1 or 2 unpaired electrons, then the molecule is said to be paramagnetic in nature. That one we will get the example, no problem. At that time we will stress that one. Okay. Now, in today's class, we will see what about the next example, that is He2 molecule. Okay, ma'am? Let us see that one. He2 molecule contains 2 helium atoms. Okay, let us see. Helium atom, electronic configuration 1s2. Another helium atom, electronic configuration is also 1s2. If He2 molecule is taken, then it has 2 helium atoms. Each helium atom has 2 electrons. So totally 4 electrons are present. That's why this is 4 electron system. That's why this is 4 electron system. Is it okay, ma'am? Now, how these 4 electrons will be filled? That one, by showing the diagrammatic representation, we will see that one. Let us see. This is atomic orbital. Helium 1s. This is atomic orbital helium 1s. These two will be undergoing constructive interference as well as destructive interference to form molecular orbitals. Okay, so they will undergo constructive interference to form one bonding molecular orbital, which is sigma 1s only, because this is obtained from 1s and 1s1, so it is sigma 1s. sigma star 1s. This is the representation. Now, how many electrons are present in 1s? 2 electrons are present in 1s. Here also 1s contains 2 electrons. So totally 4 electrons are there. That 4 electrons must be filled into 2 molecular orbitals. 4 electrons must be filled into 2 molecular orbitals. Each molecular orbital will accommodate maximum 2 electrons. Same like our atomic orbital. Every atomic orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons, like that. Each molecular orbital will accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So 4 electrons, here we have 2 orbitals, they will follow opposite rule. So first completely this sigma 1s is going to be filled 2 electrons. After completion of this sigma 1s only, electrons will be entering into sigma star 1s. That is only opposite rule. Lower energy orbital will be filled first. After completion of lower energy orbital, then only electrons will be entering into high energy orbital. Okay, then remaining 2 electrons will be entering like this. 4 electrons are filled. Then electronic configuration of He2 molecule is equal to, I am writing here, this is second mark. Electronic configuration of He2 molecule is equal to sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2. Electronic configuration of He2 molecule is equal to sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2. Okay, this is the representation and electronic configuration. Diagrammatic representation, electronic configuration. Okay, now I am going to rub this one, and before rubbing that one, see, 2 electrons completely filled, no unpaired electron. Here also 2 electrons, no single electron is present. Correct or not? No single electron is present. Okay, keep like that, remembrance. Okay, now I am going to rub this one, and I am going to find the bond order. After finding the bond order, then we will decide whether the molecule is existed or not. Then only we can write magnetic properties. If the molecule is not existed, no need to write magnetic properties. Because molecule itself it is not there. Then no need to write magnetic properties. Is it okay, ma'am? Now let us see. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital. Number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. In bonding molecular orbital, how many electrons are there? 2. In anti-bonding molecular orbital, how many electrons are there? 2. So 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. When we get bond order is equal to 0, the molecule is not stable or molecule does not exist. Molecule does not exist. So He2 molecule, there is no chance to be existed. According to molecular orbital theory, it is proved. Even valence bond theory or any hybridization also, He is highly stable. Okay, because of that duplet configuration, it is highly stable inert gas. Okay, then the type of gases they will not undergo reaction with themselves also. Not only with others, they will not undergo reaction with themselves also. Is it okay, ma'am? This is about He2 molecule. If you are very much clear, next we will go to third molecule, that is hydrogen helium lithium, Li2 molecule. Let us see that one. Before that, everything I hope you are clear. Bond order formula Nb minus Na by 2. Nb means number of electrons present in, total number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals. Na, total number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Okay, ma'am? Next, third one, Li2 molecule. Li2 contains 2 lithium atoms. Lithium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, same. Lithium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Okay, so we have to write first for 1s and 1s, after 2s and 2s. That's why I am writing from here to above like this. Represent here first. In this way, energy increases. Don't forget, actually in previous representation we have forgotten. No? In that also you can write, this is the representation energy. From here to here like this, from below to above, energy increases. Okay, now first 1s and 1s. See, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Okay, in 1s, how many electrons are there? 2. Here also 2 electrons are there. Totally 4 electrons. First, lower energy sigma 1s will be completely filled. Next, next energy level sigma star 1s. It is completely filled. So 4 electrons, it is balanced. See, middle only we have to concentrate molecular orbitals. Okay, no? Next, coming to 2s and 2s. If 2s and 2s undergoes linear combination of atomic orbitals, that combination, okay, they will give sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Individually I told for 1s, 1s, 2s, 2s, 2p, 2p also I told. Please, that how they are going to mix all these things, combine all these things, everything you have to be clear. Then only you can write the diagrammatic representation neatly, without any confusion. Okay, ma'am? Now, 2s has 1 electron only. Even this 2s also has 1 electron. Here total number of electrons, 2 electrons. The 2 electrons will be filled into sigma 2s. 2 electrons will be filled into sigma 2s. Sigma star 2s, 0. Okay? This is the diagrammatic representation of Li2 molecule. Li2, each lithium has 3 electrons. Totally 2 lithium atoms are there. 2, 3, 6. This is 6 electron molecule. Li2 contains 6 electrons. Total number of electrons 6. In that, 2 electrons are filled into sigma 1s, 2 electrons are filled into sigma star 1s, 2 electrons are filled into sigma 2s. Are you able to see this one, ma'am? This is sigma 2s. I hope it is clear only. After completion of this, next level. Okay, now electronic configuration of Li2 molecule. Molecular orbital electronic configuration of Li2 molecule, that is sigma 1s2, next sigma star 1s2, next sigma 2s2. Total 6 electrons na. 2, 2, 2, 6. Electronic configuration sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s. Sigma 1s has least energy, next energy sigma star 1s, next energy sigma 2s. If you want, check that one in less than 14 electron system. This is the energy order. Low energy will be filled first, next sigma star 1s, after that sigma 2s. This is the electronic configuration of Li2 molecule. Okay. Now, in this total molecule, any unpaired electrons are present? All are completely filled. Here 0. So no unpaired electron is present. Let us write no unpaired electron. Now I am going to rub this diagram and I am going to write the bond order. We wrote electronic configuration also. Depending on this electronic configuration, we are going to write bond order. Okay, now let us see. Bond order is equal to formula Nb minus Na by 2. Total number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals. Here how many bonding molecular orbitals we have? Sigma, sigma, sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2. Total number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals 4. That's why 4 minus number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Total number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals, that is sigma star 1s2, only 2 electrons. Then I am going to write 2. 4 minus 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Molecular bond order is greater than 0. Bond order is equal to 1. Bond order is greater than 0. Then molecule is existed. Molecule is existed. Here previously we told no unpaired electron is present. Okay. No unpaired electron means magnetic nature, diamagnetic. So Li2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Li2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Molecule is existed because we got bond order greater than 0. We got bond order 1. Okay. Total number of electrons present in Li2 molecule. As this is molecular orbital theory, we have to consider only molecules now. So we are going to write electronic configuration for molecules only. Total molecule electronic configuration. According to that, we are going to consider only molecular orbitals. So while we are writing electronic configurations in chemical bonding molecular orbital theory, we have to consider molecular orbitals in the energy increasing order. Okay, that increasing order electronic configuration energy order may give for less than or equal to 14 electron system and greater than 14 electrons. Li2 molecule is 6 electron system, less than 14 electrons only. So till that same order will be followed. But how many electrons are present, according to that we will stop up to some extent only. See, here we stopped up to sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2. We didn't get sigma star 2s2 because that many electrons are not there. Only 6 electrons are there. By this electronic configuration of Li2 molecule is completed. Okay, and even Li2 molecule is stable. We have seen. And what about the magnetic nature? It is diamagnetic in nature because it does not contain any unpaired electron. Okay, this is about Li2. Shall we see next example now? What is fourth one? Be2. Be2 molecule we are going to see now. Okay, let us see that one. Be2 molecule. Be2 molecule contains 2 atoms of beryllium. Each beryllium atom contains 4 electrons. Each beryllium atom contains 4 electrons. So totally 2 beryllium atoms are there. 2 into 4, 8 electrons. So this is 8 electron system. Electronic configuration of beryllium atom is 1s2, 2s2. Another beryllium atom is also 1s2, 2s2. Okay, now we have to start with first 1s and 1s, after that 2s and 2s. Here left side we have to show that energy level increases like this. Now first start with 1s and 1s. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Okay, 1s has 2 electrons, even that 1s has 2 electrons. So totally 4 electrons we will fill like this. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Next 2s, 2s and 2s. They will give sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. In 2s we have 2 electrons, here also we have 2 electrons, then totally 4 electrons, then they are filled like this. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Now electronic configuration of Be2 molecule is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. This is the electronic configuration of Be2 molecule. Okay, first we have to see bond order. By seeing the bond order, whether the molecule is existed or not, we will come to know. Okay, after that we can decide magnetic nature. If molecule is not at all existed, no need to go for magnetic nature. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation. Note down all of you. Now let us see what about bond order. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals 2, 2, 4 minus anti-bonding molecular orbitals electrons 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. If bond order is equal to 0, molecule does not exist. Molecule does not exist. This is electronic configuration, molecular electronic configuration of Be2 molecule. This is bond order. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Okay, is equal to 4 minus 4 by 2, 0. The molecule will not be existed. If you are okay, then next molecule we will see. Be2 molecule is completed now. Be2 molecule is 8 electron system. Okay, next we will see after beryllium, carbon, C2 molecule. Okay, let us see. Sorry, boron. Beryllium 4th atomic number 4. Next B2 molecule also we have to see. So fifth one, B2 molecule. Each boron has 5 electrons. B2 molecule has 2 borons. Then 2 into 5, 10 electrons. This is 10 electron system. Electron system. Now electronic configuration of beryllium 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. This is atomic order electronic configuration. Same another beryllium also 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So now we are getting 2p also. When 2p and 2p are intermixed, okay, how many orbitals will be generated? That one also we have seen. Just turn the paper, see how much already. By using that, immediately 2p and 2p also will write. So here we will write 3. First 1s and 1s, 2s and 2s, next 2p and 2p. Okay, now we have to show here energy increases like this. Actually, this board is not supportive to write 2s, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Like that, here we cannot write 2p. It will go up. Now that's why I'm writing here 1s and 2s I will write here, and 2p alone I will write here. Then what you have to do? In your notes, please don't write 2p right side. You have some space, definitely you have space in your bookmark. Total page, you can leave that one. Then below 1s and 1s. Next 2s and 2s. You can continue here 2p. Because for you space is there. For me, on board it is not possible to represent it. But at a time I have to show. To understand clearly, at a time I have to show. That's why only I am making this splitting mark. Here 1s and 2s I am writing here, 2p alone I am writing here. You have to make in a way that this 2p we have to write here. Then only energy correctly it will be maintained. From below to above it is increased. Okay, please make a note clearly that one. Once again I am insisting you to write this 2p whatever I am writing, I am going to write, you have to mention here in your book. Okay, let us see first 1s and 1s. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. 1s has 2 electrons. Even here also 1s has 2 electrons. Okay, then totally 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1s is completed. Next 2s. This is 2s. This is also 2s. This one will be sigma 2s. This is sigma star 2s. 2s has 2 electrons. Here also 2s has 2 electrons. Then total 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1s completed, 2s completed. Remained with 2p and 2p. Okay. 2p subshell has 3 orbitals. I am going to represent the 3 orbitals here. these 3 and 3, totally 6 orbitals, they will combine by LCMO method to form 6 molecular orbitals. In that, 3 are bonding molecular orbitals and 3 are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So 3 will be here, 3 will be here. In that also energy difference is there. Okay, let us see. This is 2px, 2py, 2pz. This is also 2px, 2py, 2pz. Okay, then they will intermix to form this is less than 14 electron system. This is less than 14 electron system. Just once see the energy order what I give. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After this one, here you will be getting pi 2px, pi 2py. Here, this means here this one will be here. Okay, pi 2px, pi 2py. You are able to see, I think, this is pi 2px, pi 2py. This one orbital, no? Sigma 2pz. What is it? Sigma 2pz. How many molecular bonding molecular orbitals? I said 3. Those 3 are these 3. In that, this one lower energy, next to this one. Next, bonding molecular orbitals. What is the order? Bonding molecular orbitals order. That is pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and finally high energy, that is single orbital sigma star 2pz. This is the diagrammatic representation of 6 molecular orbitals formed by 2p and 2p. 2p 3 orbitals, atomic orbitals, here 3 atomic orbitals. Those are undergoing LCMO method to form 6 molecular orbitals started with pi 2px, pi 2py. Both have same energy, no? So adjacent with we have written. Both have same energy, adjacent we have written. Next energy sigma 2pz. After that pi star 2px, pi star 2py both have same energy. When we are filling this same energy orbitals, we will understand Hund's rule. Okay, and highly energetic, that is sigma star 2pz. In your book, if I observe, okay, this total diagram must be here. Then in this way energy increases. Least energy sigma 1s. Next sigma star 1s. Next sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Next pi 2px, pi 2py. Next sigma 2pz, next pi star 2px, pi star 2py, next sigma star 2pz. In that way, in your notes must be. As it is written on board, it is not possible to write this one here. That's why I am writing here. Please understand, all of you. Again, I am mentioning. Okay. Now 2p has how many electrons? 1 electron only. Even here also 1 electron only. Then totally 2 electrons are there. Those 2 electrons must be entering into 2px, 2py. Those 2 electrons must be entering into 2px, 2py. Here they have same energy, no? They have same energy. Then definitely each orbital will be filled at least by 1 electron. So 1 electron, 1 electron. After that, if you have next electron, then we will get here. After that, here. Hund's rule will be followed. Observe this one, all of you. Okay, out of this total diagrammatic representation, Be2 molecule, sorry, Once again, sorry, this is boron only. Boron only. Here I wrote correctly only. B2 molecule, boron, boron. Electronic configuration I wrote correctly only. 1s to 2s to 2p1, 1s to 2s to 2p1. Okay. Now, total B2 molecule, out of total B2 molecule, here unpaired electron is not there, but here two unpaired electrons are there. See, single electron, single electron. Single electron present in the orbital is called unpaired electron. Single electron present in the orbital is called unpaired electron. So these two are unpaired electrons. Okay, if this molecule is existed, definitely this is paramagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic means no unpaired electron must be there. But here unpaired electrons are there. Then definitely this is paramagnetic nature if it is existed molecule. Now we have to see whether it is existed or not. We have to find BO, bond order. Okay. For finding the bond order, first we shall write the electronic configuration. No? That electronic configuration, before writing that one, please observe the diagram. If you have any small doubt also, immediately contact me. Please don't neglect. I will clarify your doubt. Okay. Slowly, everything slowly only I am teaching. 2 or 3 times I am repeating and I am going to next concept. Okay. Please understand that effort, ma. Please try to concentrate well and understand every concept. Now, electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration of B2 molecule? I am going to write this one and I am going to write. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, next pi 2px1, pi 2py1. Pi 2px1, pi 2py1. Even though if you don't represent this equal also, no problem. Simply you can write pi 2px1, pi 2py1. Okay, ma? Now, bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. Without star, that is bonding molecular orbital, total 6 1, minus number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals 2, 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 by 2, 1. BO, bond order is equal to 1, molecule is existed. Molecule is existed. And what is the magnetic nature? It has 2 unpaired electrons. If it has 2 unpaired electrons, it is paramagnetic nature. Even 1 unpaired electron also paramagnetic only. So magnetic nature of B2 molecule is paramagnetic. B2 molecule is paramagnetic in nature. Okay. This is about diagrammatic representation, next electronic configuration, bond order and magnetic nature of B2 molecule. In today's class, we have seen totally, started with the He2 molecule, next after He, lithium Li2 molecule, next Be2 molecule and B2 molecule. Whether the molecules are existed or not, we have seen. If molecule existed, what about the magnetic nature? By using the bond order. Okay, and whether the molecule is contained by unpaired electrons or not. According to that, we have seen magnetic nature. Okay, if molecule is existed, then only we have to see magnetic nature. If molecule is not existed, no need to go to magnetic nature. Remember, okay, ma? In an order: electronic configuration, diagrammatic representation, electronic configuration, bond order, whether the molecule is existed or not. After that, finally magnetic nature. For these molecules, everything we have seen neatly. Okay. Note down in the notes very neatly, all of you. If you have any doubts, immediately contact me, no problem. Anytime I will clarify your doubt. Okay, this is about today's class. We will continue with carbon C2 molecule in next class. C2, N2, O2. Up to O2 we will see. Okay, ma'am? So in next class maximum these examples will be completed. After that some applications of this molecular orbital theory we will see. Then we will go to next concept, hydrogen bond. By hydrogen bond concept, chemical bond total coordinate covalent bond is there. Okay, coordinate covalent bond and hydrogen bond. By that total chemical bond chapter is going to be completed. Okay, ma'am? This is about today's class. I hope everyone is clear about today's class. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.